Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install LocalSend on your computer step by step. LocalSend is a free and open source app that lets you securely transfer files between devices over your local network without using cloud storage. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official LocalSend website or the official GitHub releases page. From there, download the latest version that's compatible with your operating system, whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Downloading from the official source ensures you get the latest and safest release. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and locate the LocalSend installer. Double-click the file to begin the installation process. If you're on Windows and see a user account control prompt, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your device. Next, follow the installation wizard. Accept the license agreement if prompted, choose the installation location, or leave the default option selected, and click Install to begin copying the files. The setup usually takes less than a minute on most computers. After the installation is finished, click Finish to launch LocalSend. The application may ask for permission to access your local network through the firewall. Be sure to allow this access, since it's required for LocalSend to discover nearby devices and transfer files successfully. Once LocalSend opens, your device is ready to send and receive files with other devices connected to the same local network, and that's it. You now know how to install LocalSend and prepare it for fast, secure file sharing across your devices. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone.